Hey everyone, my name is Will. Welcome to Room and Goods. So it's official, Facebook has announced the Quest 2 will be released on October 13th. And the price and the specs has been confirmed, and as you may know, you can pre-order it right now. Also, they now have a larger selection of accessories on the Oculus store, but I do have a slight problem with how they're selling it. So as far as the past leaks about the Quest 2, many of the things including the prices were all true. I think the starting price of the $299 is actually a very good thing to push VR forward considering the technology in the headset. I'm actually very appreciative of Facebook's work to get VR where it is now. Looks like they're very focused in making VR consumer friendly, and they pretty much don't have any competition, at least not right now. Now here's all the confirmed specs between the Quest 1 and the Quest 2, and based on all the specs, everything has improved compared to the Quest 1 in terms of being lighter, the storage space, the resolution of the display, and the chip inside the headset. Now I actually wanted to quickly talk about the accessories on the Oculus store because I do definitely have a couple issues with it. So in my previous video, I mentioned another way that Facebook can make additional revenue because of the low cost of the headset is by providing a larger selection of accessories. So now after the official announcement of the Quest 2, they actually do have a larger selection of accessories on their online Oculus store, and it's definitely a smart move by Facebook. So the accessory stores have a couple of familiar pieces, with the carrying case for your VR headset and the Oculus Link cable that lets you connect your headset to your PC so you can play PC VR games. Now they have added a Quest 2 Elite strap that is $49 US. That is highly recommended accessory because the current stock strap on the Quest 2 can get uncomfortable. Based on Upload VR's testing the stock strap, it doesn't provide enough comfort, and I'm sure if Facebook had known that would be an issue, because why would they release another strap called the Elite strap? I personally don't have one right now, but the stock head strap on the Oculus Go and the Quest can get uncomfortable after 30 minutes or so. So I have other head straps to balance out the headset to make it a lot more comfortable, where I actually barely feel the weight of the headset. Plus, that was the main complaint with the Quest 1. Unless Facebook happens to release a Ready Player One style VR headset, then maybe one day I can see the stock strap working, but we're not there yet. Some even said they should have packaged them together to give the best possible experience, especially for first time users, but I'm assuming Facebook wants to keep the cost down. Now, they also have another Quest 2 Elite strap that costs $129 US, but this time they integrate a battery pack within the head strap that doubles your playing time on the headset, which adds an additional 2 hours, so that's a total of 4 hours of playing time. But they also added something that I'm not sure many people want, a carrying case. You know, I really wish they left it out, or at least have an option of not purchasing it with the integrated battery head strap. By packaging with the head strap, I'm assuming it bumps up the price. The last official Quest 1 case was pretty tight fitting, so I'm hoping this one you can fit in bulkier items. Because of pictures like this one from other users, I've added some extra protection for my controllers, and I admit the controllers are a bit bulkier now, but it really does its job. So my suggestion, if Facebook really wants to push the price up, why don't they just include a decent quality near off-the-ear speakers that's integrated into the head strap, similar to the Valve Index or the HP Reverb G2, to help improve the overall VR experience in terms of audio. And I really think that will provide a better value to the customer. This very issue will just invite third-party vendors to make an earphone for the Elite strap, unless that was Facebook's plan all along and eventually work with them like they have with other companies such as Logitech. So speaking of Logitech, they offer a Pro VR headphones along with a short cable for VR headsets. I think that might be an issue too, especially if you're pretty active in VR. You probably may want to consider how warm it can get with covering your ears, similar to earmuffs. Because personally, I have used headphones in active VR games, and it can get pretty sweaty with those things on. Or if Facebook had an issues of integrating the ear speakers with the headset, then at least package the Elite head strap with the VR cover facial interface, because that's a better pairing if it's all about making the user more comfortable while wearing the headset. Many of you may be familiar with VR cover's facial interface that helps making wearing a VR headset a lot more comfortable and for hygienic reasons. I actually have a pair of VR cover foam interface case for my Quest 1, and I definitely recommend this product. By the way, if you want more details about the VR Cover's facial interface, I would head on over to VR Cover's website because the Oculus store only displays one image. It appears to be the same ones on the Oculus accessory store. I'll put a link below if you want to check it out. So the VR Cover site shows the facial interface with passive air vents to prevent lens fogging, and I think that's actually a great idea, and it indicates that it has a removable nose guard that helps with the light leakage as well. And it's actually nice to see Facebook working with the third-party vendors like VR Cover. So I know the carrying case might be a minor thing for some people, but I'm just saying they could have improved upon how they package some of the items in the accessory store to give the best possible experience for maybe first-time users. And don't get me wrong, I think overall Facebook has done a great job with the headset and pushing VR forward. So I definitely think Facebook is on the right path besides the whole required Facebook login to use your VR headset. So let me know down below if you feel they should have packaged the Elite head strap with the integrated battery pack in a different way, or perhaps you may feel it's not a big deal. As always, press the like button if you liked the video and consider subscribing. Talk to y'all later.